Hello, Anna. Welcome to our YouTube channel, St. Wilfrid's College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Panvel. Myself, Pratiksha Patil, faculty of St. Wilfrid's College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Panvel. Today, I am starting my first lecture series on mathematics, that is a matrices and determinant. There are various applications of matrices in our real life. First, objective of my lecture is first one is the meaning of matrices, then type of matrices, determinant, Cramer's rule, solution of system of three linear equation as well as two linear equation and example on that. First, what is matrix? Matrix is nothing but rectangular arrangement of rows and columns. We can see here there are m number of rows and n number of columns, which is denoted by m and n, and order of this matrix is nothing but m cross n. That is the number of rows into number of columns, and this matrix always denoted by capital letter. Next, type of matrices. What is type of matrices? First is a rectangular matrix. Obviously, rectangular matrix having odd number of rows and columns. That is nothing but number of rows is not equal to number of columns. We can see here example. There are 2 rows and 3 columns. That is 6, 2, minus 1 is first row and minus 2, 0, 5 is the second row. Second, square matrix. Square matrix is nothing but number of rows is equal to number of columns. That is nothing but square matrix. Third one is a diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix is nothing but only contain diagonal entries and non-diagonal elements is equal to 0. So this is a diagonal matrix. Next is a scalar matrix. Scalar matrix is also like a diagonal matrix, but the diagonal entries of this scalar matrix is equal to constant number or equal. That is 4, 4, 4. Next, row matrix. Row matrix is nothing but a matrix with only one row. We can see here this matrix contain only one row. Second one is a column matrix. Column matrix is contain only one column. Identity matrix. Identity matrix is nothing but diagonal matrix, but diagonal entries is equal to 1. Next one is a zero matrix. Zero matrix is also called null matrix. Means there is matrix is contain all elements is equal to 0. Next, upper triangular and lower triangular matrix. What is upper triangular matrix? A square matrix having all the entries 0 below the principal diagonal. Means here diagonal, below the diagonal, the elements is equal to 0. And is lower triangular matrix, above the diagonal entries is equal to 0. And rows and column is denoted by R1, R2, R3, and column is denoted by C1, C2, C3, like that. This is about the matrices. Next is a determinant. Determinant is depend on matrix. Matrix is denoted by capital letter and which is also denoted by in the rectangular form is equal to Aij. Here I is nothing but number rows and J for a column. So the matrix is Aij. This is what square matrix. Square matrix is nothing but number of rows equal to number of columns. This is what one row and one column. Therefore, this matrix of order is 1. So determinant of matrix is denoted by this. We can see here determinant of A is equal to what? Determinant of A11 is equal to A11. In determinant, we can solve by using cross multiplication. Means what? Look here. For 2 cross 2 matrix. 2 cross 2 matrix contain 2 rows and 2 columns. Solve this matrix by determinant is nothing but what? Take diagonal entries. A11, A22, A21, A12. That is nothing but take multiplication of diagonal entries and give minus sign. That is what? A11 into A22 minus A21 into A12. This is for 2 cross 2 matrix. What is 3 cross 3 matrix? This is example of 2 cross 2 matrix determinant. We can see here 4 minus 3, 2, 5. 4 into 5 minus 2 into minus 3. So minus become plus. So this is 20 plus 6 is equal to 26. Solution for 3 cross 3 matrix determinant. So determinant of A is equal to what? A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, and A33. This is what 3 rows and 3 columns. Take first rows, that is A11, A12, A13. First element is positive, second is a negative, third one is a positive. So positive, negative, and positive. First, take A11. A11 lies in first row and first column. So leave that first row and first column and take element A22, A23, A32, and A33 and take determinant of these 4 elements. So A11 into determinant of these 4 elements minus this second element is A12, which is lies in the first row and second column. So take determinant of remaining element, that is A21, A23, A31, and A33. So determinant of this 4 element plus last one. Last one is A13. So plus A13 into A21, A22, A31, A32, because this element lies in first row and third column. Then solve this determinant. So A11 into, we can see here, A22 into A33, that is the diagonal entries. Take multiplication of diagonal element, give minus sign into A32, A23. Same for this, A12 into A21 into A33 minus A31 into A23 plus A13 into A21, A32 minus A31 into A22. Then solve this equation, then we get determinant. So this is what example for 3 cross 3 matrix determinant. 2, 3 minus 5, 7, 1 minus 2, minus 3, 4, 1. So first take first rows 2, 3 minus 5. Give opposite sign, that is minus sign to 3 because middle element contain minus sign. Okay. So 2 into 1, 4 minus 2, 1. Why 1 minus 2, 4, 1? Because 2 lies in first row and first column. So remaining element is 1, minus 2, 4, 1. Same for 3 and same for minus 5. Then we get what? Determinant of this 3 cross 3 matrix. Then solve determinant of this. 1 into 1, 1. 4 into minus 2, minus 8. And determinant having minus sign. So minus minus become plus. So 2 into 1 plus 8. Minus 3 as it is. 7 into 1, 7. Minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. And determinant minus sign is nothing but plus minus minus. So minus 6. Minus 5 as it is. Then 7 into 4, 28 plus. Why plus? Because minus 3 into 1, minus 3 and minus minus become plus 3. So 18 minus 3 minus 155. That is nothing but minus 140. This is a solution of this 3 cross 3 matrix. Next is what? Solution of system of two linear equation. First of all, what is linear equation? Linear equation is nothing but the equation having degree 1. So this linear equation can be solved by using Cramer's rule. First equation is a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, and second equation is what? a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Solution is nothing but what? Find the value of x and y by using Cramer's rule. So first is what? Formula for x and y. What is x? X is nothing but d1 upon d, and y is nothing but d2 upon d. But what is d? D is nothing but determinant. But determinant of what? The coefficient of x and y, a1, b1, a2, and b2. Look here, determinant of coefficient of x, coefficient of x is nothing but a1 and a2, and coefficient of y is nothing but b1 and b2. Next, what is d1? d1 is nothing but what? Replace the first column of d with this constant, that is nothing but c1 and c2. Look here, d1 is equal to c1 and c2, b1, b2. Replace b1, b2 as it is, that is second column as it is here. Only replace first column with this constant. Next, then what is d2? d2 is nothing but first column as it is, then replace second column with C1 and C2. We can see here. Then take determinant, that is cross multiplication of diagonal entries. Same for here, same for here. So this is what value of D, D1 and D2. Then put this value in this formula, then we get value of X and Y. Next is example on this Cramer's rule for two linear equation. First, 2x minus 3y is equal to 7 and 3x plus y is equal to 5. So solve this equation by using Cramer's rule, that is find the value of x and y. First column is what? 2, 3, because equation coefficient of x is nothing but 2 and 3, and second column is minus 3 and 1, and what is constant, that is C1, C2 is nothing but 7 and 5. Look here. D is nothing but what? 2 minus 3, 3, 1. Then cross multiplication is 2 into 1, 2. 3 into minus 3 is minus 9, and minus minus become plus 9. So 2 plus 9 is 11. D1 is nothing but what? Replace first column with 7 and 5. So 7 and 5 minus 3, 1, because second column remain as it is. Take cross multiplication of this, then we get 7 into 1 is 7, and 5 into minus 3 is minus 15, but minus minus become plus. So 7 plus 15 is equal to 22. Next is the D2. What is D2? Replace second column with 7 and 5. So 2 5s are 10, 3 7s are 21. So 10 minus 21 is equal to minus 11. Then what? What is x? X is nothing but D1 upon D. And what is y? Y is nothing but D2 upon D. Look here. So what is D1? 22 upon 11 is equal to what? 2. And what? Y is nothing but what? D2 upon D, which is equal to minus 11 upon 11. That is nothing but minus 1. Next, solution of system of three linear equation. What is three linear equation? Means equation. There are three equations. Equation 1, 2, 3. Same like two linear equation, but here we get 3 cross 3 matrix. Why 3 cross 3 matrix? Because here are x, y, z, 3 variable and 3 equation. Hence we get 3 cross 3 matrix. So for x is equal to D1 upon D, y is equal to D2 upon D, and z is equal to what? D3 upon D. Next, for D, same coefficient of x, coefficient of y, and coefficient of z. We can see here A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Same for D1. D1 is nothing but replace first column with this constant, that is D1, D2, D3. In D2, second column replace with this, and in D3, third column replace with this. Okay. So example of this 3 cross 3 matrix is this. 5x minus y plus 4z is equal to 5. Then 2x plus 3y plus 5z is equal to 2. And 5x minus 2y plus 6z is equal to minus 1. So here constant is nothing but 5, 2, minus 1. D is nothing but coefficient of x, y, z. So 5, 2, 5, minus 1, 3, minus 2, 4, 5, 6. So determinant of this is 51. Next, D1. D1 is nothing but first column replace with this constant, that is 5, 2, minus 1. 5, 2, minus 1. And second and third column remain as it is. Take determinant of this D1, then we get answer is 153. That is 153. Next is what? For D2. D2 means replace second column. So we get answer is 102, and D3 is nothing but what? Replace third column with 5, 2, minus 1. Okay. So we get D, D1, D2, D3. Use this value to find the x, y, z. So what is formula for x, y, and z? X is nothing but D1 upon D, y is nothing but D2 upon D, and z is nothing but D3 upon D. So put all this value in this formula, then we get x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to -2. We can check this value is right or wrong by putting in the equation, any one equation. If we get LHS equal to RHS, then our answer is correct. So this is about Cramer's rule. So Cramer's rule is nothing but depend on determinant. So matrix, determinant, and Cramer's rule is done. Thank you so much for watching my video.